Welcome to Pro News Flash. Bitcoin has just hit a new record high. Let's jump into what's driving the action. High global risk appetite and the start of Congress's crypto week allowed Bitcoin to exceed 123,000 for the first time in history. The market has adapted to tariffs, operating in taco mode or Trump always chickens out. This allows U.S. stock indices and Bitcoin to set records. In the middle of summer, the House of Representatives will consider a number of legislative acts in the crypto industry, and having a friend in the White House makes it possible to count on their support. As a result, confidence in digital assets will continue to grow, and so will prices. Once considered an outcast, Bitcoin became mainstream in 2025. At the beginning of the year, tariff shocks caused a pullback. However, high demand from institutional investors, growing global risk appetite, and investors' adaptation to the White House's protectionist policies brought the cryptocurrency back to record highs. The reserves of Bitcoin-focused exchange-traded funds reached $151 billion. In the week leading up to the 11th of July, they grew by $2.7 billion, the fifth best result in history. The total value of Michael Saylor's strategy company's Bitcoin holdings has grown to $73 billion. The company's shares have jumped 3,300% since it began purchasing cryptocurrency in mid-2020 and has many followers. Donald Trump's promises to make America the crypto capital of the world and create a strategic reserve of digital assets. This had the same effect as the launch of Bitcoin futures in 2017, the debut of the Coinbase crypto exchange on the stock market in 2021, and the Securities and Exchange Commission's approval of Bitcoin-focused ETFs in 2024. Digital assets have gained something they never had before: a friend in the White House. The Bitcoin correction, which started against the backdrop of profit-taking, may accelerate if U.S. inflation accelerates in June. However, the upward trend in cryptocurrency remains in force. As long as Bitcoin trades above the support level of 114,000, the bulls are in charge. Stay with Pro News for more updates on events in the crypto markets. Like, share, and subscribe.